Does your swing arm lamp just drive you crazy? It just can't stay up. We want a swing arm lamp that can stay where we put it. And typically what we want to do is just throw it out. But we can fix it. So each of these swing arm lamps has two sets of springs, two pairs of springs. The upper springs is what we need to concentrate on most. This fix will also work on the bottom springs. But let's have a quick look at this. This pivot here and this pivot here need to be, the distance between them must be extended by about 1.5 inches. So remove the springs. These pivot points on the lower arm can then be unscrewed. There are two caps with a little threaded rod between them. Now drill a hole about 1.5 inches closer to the lamp. I'm going to do a pilot hole first. I'm just going to be estimating my distance. It's not really important. And here we go. Here's my pilot hole. Now for the full-size drill bit. This drill bit should be just a little bigger than the threaded rod. In fact, it fits right through the old hole. And here we go. There you go. There's our new hole, about 1.5 inches closer to the lamp. Thread the pivot ends back on and tighten them to the arm. This no longer will happen. Now attach the springs. That additional spring tension now keeps the lamp in any position you put it, even at full extension. If this starts getting slack, you can just shift these down a little further. Thank you for listening.